Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. We have got a great unboxing today. As most of you guys know, I'm a big believer in giving small businesses business. And in the cap industry, there's quite a few small businesses. And this is one of my repeat people I go back to. And they ran a sale. I did a review on some Dudley caps I purchased the other day. I bought 3 of them. I got the rose, the red, and the olive green. Those caps are absolutely amazing. And they actually ran a sale of some other caps as well. And they didn't have my size. And so I'm like thinking to myself, like, oh, darn, they don't have my size. I know they're not going to get any more in because they're closing out to bring some new inventory in. And I was just out of luck. But then I started thinking, okay, so what if I'm a 5960, which is a perfect large for Peaky Hat? What if I tried to do a 61 and 62 and use the strings to make it smaller? So I thought to myself, hey, 11 o'clock at night, scrolling through my phone, and you get those impulse buys. I'm like, I got to give it a try. I got to give it a try. And the thing is, if I probably would have went to sleep, I probably would have purchased it. And in fact, I know I would have purchased it. But here we are. We got a Peaky Hat. It is a 6162, and we're just going to see if this will actually fit. Worst case scenario is that on a future Gentleman's Roundtable, we're going to be giving away a cap from Peaky Hat. So that's the worst case scenario. Best case scenario is I somehow get it to fit to my noggin, and I can wear it. So let's go ahead and get it open. And again, we got Peaky Hat joining us here on our Gentleman's Roundtable next Tuesday. And some big announcements to come on that. And it's gonna be a great show. And get your questions ready to ask Ryan and people at Peaky Hat. All right. So I got the extra large. I hope this fits because this red looks pretty sweet. And this is the Bromwich red extra large. Of course, you get the bag with them. And let's make sure I don't miss anything in this box here, because I have been known to leave a pin in the box and throw away the box, as it has happened in the past. Now I always check anything. And I'll tell you what, I have got my collection for these Peaky Hat stickers are getting bigger and bigger. I'm going to have to find somewhere else to put them on. I already put one on my water bottle. Yeah, look at this. Some say I might have a problem, but I don't like to use the word problem. I call it an addiction. And on this addiction, there's really not a 1-800 number you can call for some assistance. So we're going to just deal with it. And here's the Bromwich. It is red. I really like this red. And this looks like it's going to be quite large. And, man, this stuff is so light. I mean, I love this feels kind of like the Bobby. Yeah, I like that. I like it a lot. All right. So, again, this is the Bromwich. On the back, of course, we got the strings, which are going to probably come in really useful if this even works. And it is the extra large. And, yeah, I have a feeling this is going to be quite large. We're going to get this thing to work. I think we're going to get it to work. But, yeah, I love that. It's like that suede type feel. It's not as suede-y as you could say, as I don't know what other word it could use, as the Bobby. But it's kind of resembles that touch to the Bobby. And the Bobby is an amazing cap. It's just an amazing cap. I mean, that cap is phenomenal. All Peaky Hats are great, but the Bobby, that is a great one. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. We're going to show a close-up of this Bromwich, and I'm going to go ahead and grab a Bobby as well. And that way I can compare the touch and everything to it. And first, we're going to go to a commercial break for the Gentleman's Roundtable. Then we're going to just go ahead and show a close-up. Then we're going to compare them. Then we might show another commercial for Gentleman's Roundtable, a little more funny one. And then we're going to try this bad boy on. Getting excited. Be right back, everybody.
From Dub's Hat Hub to Anarch's Unbox, reviews with moves, real tall round the clock. First 508 airborne, standing strong, riding from Peaky Hat, right where he belongs. Pull up a chair if you're able, live at the gentleman's round table.
Here's a close-up of the Bromwich. Like I said, it's got that feel. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull over the bobby to it. As you can, I guess it does feel pretty similar. Yeah. I wonder if it's the same kind of material. The bobby does still feel a little bit more suede-y. But they both give that, I don't know if you guys remember. I remember my mom used to complain about us when we used to wear our shoes in the house or walk across fresh vacuumed carpet, to where she'd have the lines all going through the carpet. You can really see it on this one. But she'd have the lines nice and straight. And so as you can tell, as you vacuum, then you'd walk and it'd leave little footprints like this. Oh, so that used to be a big pet peeve. And I used to tell her, see the little lines it leaves? That's like fresh carpet. And I used to say, like, Mom, I mean, how do you expect us not to? You want us to just walk the direction that you vacuum the carpet? But she never gave me an answer other than whatever. But yeah, yeah. So yeah, you can actually see it on the red as well. So that's fresh vacuumed carpet. And then you walk across and you ruin everything. All right, let's go ahead and try this bad boy on and see how it looks.
Join us every Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Central and 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Ow!
And one more thing I wanted to do, I didn't enjoy it on that close-up, is the inside of these caps. This is more of like a silk lining, and the Bromwich is more of a fabric lining. I don't know if you guys see that or not. That's all more fabric, and then this one is a silk liner. So I don't know how that's going to feel when I try it on, if it even fits. But let's take off the swisher here. This is a great cap too, by the way. If you don't have a swisher Gamma, pick that one up. Todd does a great job. Man, this thing is pretty awesome though. I mean, look at that. Yeah, great cap. One of my favorites from Swisher. And here is the Bromwich. First, I want to go ahead and put the bobby on. That's a perfect fit. Like I said, this is the large. And now it's time for the Bromwich. I really hope this fits somehow. I'm going to see how. I never tied these caps before. I'm actually going to do that a little bit before I even see, like, they got the little strings to pull. So I'm going to go ahead and, I never even tied one, even know how to tie it. I guess like a shoestring, right? We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, I guess it does kind of bunch up a little bit when you tie like a shoestring. Why don't they have Velcro? I mean, come on. Gotta have Velcro. You want to know why we have Velcro? How old were you before you were able to wear tied shoes when you were younger? I swear I had Velcros going until at least I was like in third grade. Because I'd either have my shoestrings, never tied them. My parents would get mad because I ruined all my shoestrings. But I did tie this up a little bit to make it tight. Come on, Bromwich. Holy cow. That actually works. That string actually works. Oh, I actually got a cap. Yeah. This thing was $35. Let me go ahead and untie it to see how it felt like when it was real loose. Oh, it's definitely a little bit more loose, but yeah, those strings. Hey, if anybody had never bought a Peaky Hat and used those strings, yeah, it actually works. I'll be damned. You learn something new every day. But yeah, I think it's what do you guys think? I think it's a little too, it's a little, obviously, I'm going to go ahead and tie that string again. And I remember the old code on this thing. What is it? How they used to teach you to tie strings in school. They said something by loop here or something there. I'm sure some of you will remember that. And I tie shoes kind of funny because maybe my wife says, like, what'd you tie shoes like that for? So I tightened the back up. There we go. Now it's a much better fit. Can you guys tell us it was too big now? I mean, I can't really see the back to see if it looks, let me see here. It look kind of bunched up in the back where I tightened it a little bit. But this actually fits really nice. So for those of you who are worried about, if you're right on the cusp of 5960 like I am, you could actually go to the 61, 62 and just use that little tied string. I should have got more. I don't know if they have any more colors left. But for $35, the Bromwich in red, even a little bit after Valentine's Day, I'll find something to wear this with. I'm up for a new promotion at my job. Maybe I'll, if I get the job, I'll start wearing the Bromwich to work and show off even more. All right. Not bad. I'm actually kind of excited now. Let me know what you guys think about this cap. I'm going to give it on the scale of 1 to 5. I'm going to give this about a 4.2, 4.3. It fits great. You can definitely tell the difference of the liner compared to the silk liner of the Bobby. But again, the Bobby to me is my favorite cap of all time. But yeah, looks good. And if you, like I said, hurry up and run over to Peaky Hat. If you guys have any more of these Breath of Bromwich, even maybe some of those Dudley caps, they're $35 a piece. And yeah, I think they got a code for like 10% off as well. Yeah. All right, everybody. Reviews and moves. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, tune in Gentleman's Roundtable next Tuesday. Ryan's actually going to be on the show, and we got quite a few announcements to make. So make sure you guys get those questions ready for Ryan. It's going to be a great show. All right, everybody. See you next time.